Some of you asked, how should I install Autodesk products such as Revit, Navisworks? Actually, all the Autodesk products are free for students to use. As far as you have an official EDU email, you are able to download and install the main Autodesk products for free. So just open your Google and Google Autodesk. So you should open this. Autodesk main website, the official website, and there you just click sign in. So you're going to sign into a main portal, and you will see all the products. So basically, this is where we want to go. But basically, we want to sign in first. So if you don't have Autodesk account yet, just click create account, and please remember to use your EDU email, not your Gmail, not your other emails, but use your EDU email. So since I already registered, I already enrolled, so I just put my email here and just click sign in. I can click state sign in, so I can just keep signing here, and it will send a 6-digit code to the phone. Let me wait for it. Oh, it still hasn't arrived, so let me use another method. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, send the code. So usually Autodesk will send a 6-digit code via text message. If it's not working, you can always use your email. Sometimes it's delayed. So now I got the code. It's a one-time code. Enter code. All right, so now you're signing in. Okay, so once you sign in, you should be able to see this little, so your name here. Now let's go to manage products and downloads. Okay, so just click all products and services. Now you should be able to see all the main Autodesk products and all the programs we will be learning this semester are listed here. So please make sure you install Revit 2020 before day one. So let's go find the Revit. So this is Revit. Let's go here. And so that's version 2020. And so let's say go view downloads. And select this 2020 and select this Windows 64. Usually, most of the operation system, if you're using Windows, you should be using Windows 64 and language English, and just go install now. Go accept and go install. And then basically you just keep this one. So this is a Revit installer, and just click this one. So that 87 megabit is nothing, just installing the installer. Now, once you open this one, it will open the actual install program, and it will download the entire program online and start install. So the size of Revit is around 2 gigabit. So it will take a while for you to download it. Click yes. So this is installer. Just give it a moment, and it will basically ask you what programs you want to install. So I personally recommend you to check everything here. That includes all the libraries, some material libraries, and also some other resources. So I would recommend you to do everything. Okay, so since I already have this Revit 2020 installed on my PC, I wouldn't go over the entire process, but this is how you install that. Some of you might run into problems of downloading. That's probably the internet. So if that is the case, I recommend you to try it again at a different time. So now this is done. So let's go install, and that will start basically the downloading and install process. Okay, so let me close this one now. So let's say you have it installed, and another thing that you want to pay attention to is the series code here. So once you have it installed on your PC and you open it for the first time, it will ask you to input the series number and the key number to activate the program. And you just do it one time and it will be activated. That's it. Thank you.